Okay, so let's add the last type of hotspot, which is a text hotspot, and you can use that to add in extra information of this specific scene. So let's say you want to have, or you want to add some extra details about this swimming pool. You can do that over here. And let's say that we want to add some information. And this is basic HTML editor. Because the player engine doesn't know all HTML, this is kept pretty basic. We cannot add everything, but it will do the job. Here we can add some extra information, whatever it is, how many, that is completely up to you. You can add in links as well. I'll come back to that later on. The same settings over here. The background alpha, is influencing the background, and you can make it disappear, so only the text will show, and the alpha makes the whole text transparent. Let's keep that to 10. The padding is only useful if you have the background visible. If you want to have more room, you can have that. But in this case, let's just type in 0 here, tap, and make the background disappear. So in this way, you can add quickly some extra information. Oops, sorry, let's just move that here. Also here is the same situation, that if we move, the user is moving and looking around, this information is always looking forward, which might be a good effect or not. That depends on your own wishes. So if you want to turn that off and you want to blend it in more, turn on the 3D text, and then the text will always be in the same direction as it is positioned right now. We can maybe turn on, or sorry, increase the font size if you want to. It's a bit more readable, and that's it. So if you publish a tour, we can go to the tour. You will come into this preview screen. It will load the tour, and there you will see the information that we have added. So we've added the text, we've added the image and the hotspot. And then if you click on that hotspot, it will load that new scene. So that was a quick and high overview of how to set up your first initial tour. For more information, we have created more tutorials which go a bit more in depth of different settings. So please look them up as well. And good luck with creating your first tour.